Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Venmo transfer error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Venmo and then tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general, and then inside general tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down and then tap on Venmo app. And once you're inside the Venmo app, what you need to do is tap on this upload app option, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And make sure that your payment method supports the instant transfer as well. You have sufficient funds in your relating or linked bank account. If you haven't verified your Venmo account, you need to verify it as well, and you have to check for pending transfers, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.